Welcome back to Broadcast Performance. Here today after work, gonna do a little project on the taco. Today's project, we are going to take the front grill, 2x4 front grill, and we are going to put on a 4x4 front grill, and that looks like this. Okay, so first step we're going to do here is pop the hood open like that. Okay, then you want to remove your side marker lights, and I got these nice fancy eBay ones, so lift them out like that. And like that. Okay guys, we got the hood open, lights are off. Third step is to remove the one zip tie that is holding the grill on. Okay, boom, old grill off. Take our new grill. This part you want to be careful on is getting her lined up here good and true. Okay, it's on there. Looking pretty dope already. We want to go ahead and apply a fresh zip tie. Like so. Okay, we got her tied back in place. Right down here, I forget what they call these, like grill slots or whatever, but you can see it's missing, so you can change this fender bolt here. So how you remove those, they'll be on your stock grill, and they just clip out. Be careful, try not to break the clips. Just pry them out nice and easy. They don't quite fit in this one. It's a little roundy there or not, so we might have to buy them off online. Those little trim pieces right there do not fit from the 2x4 to the 4x4 one, so we'll have to order them online or something. Next we're going to put in the blinkers back in. All right, it is back together and looking much more aggressive. That is a pretty dope look for the 2x4. If you guys like this episode, give it a like. If you guys are into drift trucks and BMWs and stuff, share these videos with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.